So we caught these fish over there at a pond, and we're going to release them into another pond. And I think this is a striped bass. I don't know if y'all know, please let me know in the comments, but I'm pretty confident that that is one. And we got a few of them. We're going to release them in here, and you can come and get the release. Oh, Lord. There you go, buddy. Oh,
The other ones.
that one's going to be a challenge to get out. No, I think. Oh, there we go.
Where that bad boy at?
We can mount this thing.
Nah, it's not big enough.
Yes! That's decent size here in Kentucky. There you go, buddy. Swim away. And then we got two more. I think this one might be dead. Nope. And here is that one. And one more, which these are all the same type of bass, striped bass. And, yeah, got it. And we got this little guy. And this is gonna be the last release. He's gonna do a backflip. And maybe we'll catch some more fish, and let y'all know we're gonna dump this water out. And I'll dump it in the pond.
Damn, look at that fucking turtle.
Yeah, that's the turtle I was talking about. It's huge. That might be the turtle I caught on that line over there. It's a snapping turtle, I think.
Hey, you want to close it out?
And see ya. And I'm gonna try and kill that turtle, but please like and subscribe and comment some more content that I should make, and we'll see you next time. Bye.